Evaluate logarithms question 3. Evaluate the following. Log to the base 4 of 64, log to the base 4 of 8, log to the base 4 of 1, and log to the base 4 of 0.5. Correct? Here are my solution. So let this be equal to x. In that case, we can write this as 64 equals to 4 to the power of x. Now we need to find 4 to the power of what is 64. So we know 4 to the power of 3 is 64. So we can write 4 to the power of 3 is equals to 4 to the power of x. And that means that x is equals to 3, correct? So that is how we can get the solution. Now here again we will follow the same method. Let us say log to the base 4 of 8 is equal to x. Now that means that 8 is equals to 4 to the power of x, correct? Now 8 we know is 2 to the power of 3. So we can write this as 2 to the power of 3. And 4 is 2 square. 4 is 2 square. We can write this as 2 square and then this is x, so it becomes 2 to the power of 2x. And that means 3 is equals to 2x, correct? Or x is equals to 3 divided by 2, correct? So we get x equals to 3 divided by 2, correct? So that is how we get our solution. Log to the base 4 of 1. We know log to the base of anything for 1 is always 0, correct? But let us try to see how. So we are trying to see how it is 0, right? Equals to 0, how? We'll show you that. So this could be written as 1 is equals to 4 to the power of x, correct? Now what to the power of x, 4 to the power of what should be 1? That is what? So 1 is equals to 4 to the power of 0. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. Do you see that? Do you see that? Anything to the power of 0 is 1, correct? So we get, only thing is x, if you put equals to 0, then you get 1, otherwise you don't. So x is equals to 0. Only if x is equals to 0, we'll get 4 to the power of 0, correct? And that will be equal to 1, correct? So that is how we get our answer. Here, let it be equal to x, correct? In that case, 0.5. Let me write 0.5 as half, correct? Half is 0.5 is equals to 4 to the power of x. Is that okay? Now we can write half equals to, now 4 can be written as 2 to the power of something, right? So 2 to the power of 2, and that makes it 2x, correct? Now this we know half is what? Half is 2 to the power of minus 1, correct? Half is 2 to the power of minus 1. And therefore, minus 1 is equals to 2x, or x is equals to minus half. Do you see? And that is how we get our solution. So that is how we can do these questions. For you, you can try these questions. Let me add 2 questions for you to do, okay? Continuing with this series, we get E as log 4 0.25. That is 1 for you. And then we'll write F as log 4 of cube root of 8. Correct? So you have to follow the same method. The only thing is I've added cube root of 8, right? Trying to make it tricky a bit, right? So try this question, these 2 questions on your own. Thank you.